My name is Tuleja. I've been with Blower-Dempsay for 13 years, and I'm the IT manager. Blower-Dempsay is a California-based global manufacturer and distributor of packaging supplies. ArcherPoint's shared commitment to our success and the deep bench and resources ArcherPoint continues to bring has kept us. We value ArcherPoint's responsiveness and sense of urgency. It felt like an all-hands-on-deck from ArcherPoint. We had a whole team helping us get things moving. Each one had a different focus and their own specialty. When we transitioned from NAV to Business Central, it was pretty rough because of the emergency aspect of it. The team was willing, but it was a little bit of a struggle. ArcherPoint came along and did the training, helped us get everybody on board and working in the new system. Having ArcherPoint's resources managing the updates on a regular basis is huge for us. We stuck with NAV 2009 for as long as we did because we didn't have the internal resources to manage that. And we were so heavily customized that it would have been a re-implementation every time. We ran on 2009 for many years. And while the daily operations aren't impacted by having an older version of NAV or Navision or whatever, your options for adding and upgrading and getting new features and new functionality become fewer and fewer every year. We had explored things like eCommerce and different document management systems, but because we were on such an old version of NAV, our options were almost nil. We absolutely would recommend ArcherPoint. They've been with us and beside us through every issue we've had, every challenge, and our emergency last year. It's been wonderful.